Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and as always, you're welcome to my home. Today's video, guys, I will be sharing with you our front porch and front area makeover. So guys, go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax and enjoy. We're going to take a trip into the garden, locate some beautiful mums, and then we'll continue with our cleanup. So here we are out in the garden, and these are some of the mums that we placed out here last year. Not sure if they were going to thrive or not, but as you can see, they are absolutely beautiful. So this is probably going to be one of my pickings to move to the front. And guys, even in the garden, we still have some peppers that are still thriving through, and my husband has planted some collards. But pretty much everything else is ready to be gone. But here's another mom here, and this one is kind of, maybe we can use it in a smaller pot or something. But and this one here is absolutely beautiful. So we're going to, of course, transplant that one. And I've already removed one. So this is what we have. And these are the mums that we're going to transfer over into our beautiful front yard. So guys, here we're going to let the cleanup begin. I had footage of me actually cleaning, but I guess this was one of those incidents where it just cut off. But here you'll see hubby. So guys, hubby is working very hard at cleaning up this space. As you can see, it's a bit overgrown, but we're going to give it a clean up. Our plan is to put in some mums, some straw, and just do a makeover here. So guys, this is what the space is looking like. Now we've done some clean out. We've added a few of the mums that were in the garden here. And so we're going to have some straw put down tomorrow. We'll be going to the next day because we changed our mind about having the straw put in today because there's some more cleanup we want to do in here. So this is what it's looking like so far, and this is the pile that we've cut down. We've trimmed up some of our Japanese maple trees, and we've cut down some of our crepe myrtle bushes, and just did a lot of cleanup. So I'm actually working on the front porch, trying to get it right. So hopefully guys, I'll be able to share with you what I've done here. But yeah, this is what we're looking like so far. It's a wheelbarrow. We still have the wheelbarrow I can't even talk. We still have the wheelbarrow sitting here. So we're just gonna kind of leave everything here until we actually, I think I need to get another flag for right there in that section there. So work is never done. Never ever. So here are one of those topiary pumpkins, the tiered pumpkins that I picked up from Joann's Fabric. And I really liked the way it looked, and I thought it would be perfect for my front yard. But as I looked more into it, I really didn't like the color of the bottom section. So of course, if you buy something and you don't like the color, grab yourself a can of paint. I am using this Gloss Almond by Krylon, and I'm going to change out the color, as you can see I've done here. And I think this color is going to work a lot better with my front yard decor that I am planning to use this year. So guys, this is what it really looks like. And I just love the way that this stacks and how it looks, and it has a candle on the inside, so it is lighted. So continue to watch. So guys, I am so excited and so happy of the way that this has all turned out. The wreath you see is from Hobby Lobby. The pillow that you see there is from Joann's, and I purchased that this year. The topiary pumpkins I purchased from Joann's, as you saw me give them a nice little makeover. The rug is also from Joann Fabrics, and I just decided to keep it very nice and very simple. I decided to keep my topiary trees that I had that hubby and I put out around Easter time. Added in a little lantern, as you can see there, and a few pumpkins on the step, along with some of those gorgeous mums. Now these mums on the steps are not from my garden. They are the ones that I purchased, but the other mums that you see out, such as that one there, and the one in the metal brass container, that one there is from my garden as well. Decided to put the wreath on the window. And guys, this is my fall of 2022 front yard makeover, front porch makeover. I hope you will enjoy it. Continue to listen to music. Leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you're new, again, I welcome you. And if you'd like to be a part of this family, just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you'll always be notified of any and all uploads made on this channel. Be blessed, guys, and continue to enjoy the music.